Hey guys, what's up? PipSnipers here, back for another update. Let's take a look at Solana over here. Going all the way back to 2021, we had an aggressive bear market. We had a 5-wave move down in your A. You had a triangle pattern for your B wave, and then another 5-wave down for your C. Very aggressive bear market, and then the trend shifted suddenly here in 2023. The reason it shifted is simply because we did come down to the 78.6% extension. Okay, when we go ahead and measure this C wave, you see how it perfectly hit the 786, had a 5-wave move up from there, WXY correction, and then we had this huge wave 3 to the upside. Now, a lot of people think that Solana is dead over here, but it didn't make a new all-time high yet. I mean, it did over here a little bit. It swept this high, but I think that there's still more upside to be seen, and then this was simply just a wave 4. Usually what you get in crypto, whenever you have reaccumulation structures, they tend to go in the form of a flat pattern to trap both longs and shorts. So you have your B wave sweeping your A wave high, and then your C wave sweeps your A wave low before running it up from there, right? You trap all of the buy stops, trap all of the sell stops, and then once the market reaches an equilibrium, then we can go in for continuation and expansion. And what do we see over here on Solana? Well, if we take a fib from this low over here at 1342 at wave 2 low, we can see here that we've perfectly come down to the 61.8% fib on the linear scale for that C wave termination, like right over here. This was your C wave termination. Okay, then when we go ahead and zoom in on the smaller time frame, we do have a 5-wave move to the upside. This is your leading diagonal, come down for a wave 2. You have your 3rd, 4th, and 5th wave, with the 5th wave topping out at the 786. Right, we have a little bit of a diamond top pattern over here, so you may go ahead and break down from that toward any of these Fibonacci supports to backtest the 50-day moving average, sitting at around 141 to 144 at the 50% fib for your wave 2. So you may come down to any of these supports for your wave 2. But as soon as you lose $124 and $117, then it's very likely the top is already in on Solana, and we're actually doing a Wyckoff distribution structure. But this does look like a very promising structure considering how long we've been within this range. Like, taking a look here, this does look like we've been within this range for 422 days, so over a year. So if we do come down, we would just be coming down for likely a subwave 2. Of our wave 5 to the upside. Now, in order to invalidate more downside, I would want to see a move above 178 and 180 at the 702 and the 786. Once you get above that, then it's likely we're going to go towards the higher retracement, sitting at 208 and 222 at the 702 and 786. But yeah, Solana looks very bullish here. I do think that we're going to go ahead and reach into 354 to 381, 457 to 514, and then 570 to 673. That's what I think for Solana. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And if you love the content, then click the link in the description below to join the Discord, where you guys can get access to over 350 assets. You guys can connect with me one-on-one, and you guys can ask me any question you want. Peace out. Take it easy. See you guys in the next